This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 27 of Building Optimus Prime from the Transformers. This issue we're starting on the main torso, which is going to be quite interesting. We're looking at Glenn Whitman first. Yeah, I remember him from the films. A hacker type person. Optimus's trailer. I did indeed have that. Some sort of robot repair bay thing, as far as I can recall. Bombshell? No memory of Bombshell. Decepticons 5 series part 3. No, again, none of those come to mind. Quite generic. That's quite a nice N3 type something, but the others, no, they're not anything. But yes, the torso part 1. We've got the main back piece of the torso, which we're going to be fitting a couple of bits to, and then screwing another bit to, and that's that. Won't take very long to do that. That's where it fits into the scheme of things. So yeah, let's get to it. Yep, not much to talk about. All plastic except for the screw, which I shall get one screw out already because that's what we're going to be using. There we go, one out, one kept. Later. So yes, this is what we've got. We've got two side brackets to fit in first. They just push in place on there. Get it lined up and pushed in place. Come on, not difficult. Shouldn't be difficult. Why is it proving difficult? Don't know. Why can't I get that lined up in there? Oh, it's because it's the wrong way up. That's why. It's the wrong side. One side is bigger than the other, just in case you're an idiot like me and get it the wrong way around. So that one goes in that side, like that. This is the bit for this side, which goes in like that. And then this goes in there. A little key in place, so it'll only go one way round. And that is held in place with that screw. From the other end. Down into that hole there. And that is what will hold that in. Not entirely certain what that connects to, but I'm sure it'll be something fun and interesting. So there we have it. That is this issue completed. Nice and easy part of the build. And we start adding to this next time. So join me for that very soon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.